Touch and Feel Ocean Friends has been a book that we've had for a while, and it is perfect for anybody that has a infant or a toddler or a little one because it's just so much fun. Each page has a different element of something that you can touch in terms of an animal. And even the cover itself has this nice rubber feel to show that the shell of the turtle. The pictures are bright and colorful, and what I really like is that there's actually fun facts along with the touch feature. So my little one has so much fun flipping the pages and being able to touch each one, and we get to have those conversations about what a jellyfish is and have those little facts that they include in the book. So this book is great for anybody that has a tiny one and is looking for that sensory toy and wants to read a book to their little one.